Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the online portal now. Let's continue our lesson in English. We are doing the hack driver. So the writer was sent to the New Mullion to summon Oliver Lutkins. So it was a new place for him. So he had reached the railway station and there he found a man waiting. He was very friendly. He gave him a big smile and the writer asked him if he could take him to the New Mullion, if he know Oliver Lutkins. So the man said that my name is Bill and here everybody knows me with the name Bill, and I have a carriage. I will help you to find Lutkins. We'll go around and find Lutkins. I know where he hangs around most of the time. I know where he stays most of the time. We'll easily catch him. I have a carriage, horse carriage. I'll bring my horse carriage and we'll go and find out. So let's go through this from page 48. This is from page 48. You go through this. There are 7 points I have written. From page 48, number 1. Bill, popularly known as Bill, the hack driver. He was waiting for the customer in the railway platform, outside the railway station. Bill asked the writer. The writer went straight to him. Is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? He said everything about Lutkins. I came over here to find Lutkins, Oliver Lutkins. So the hack driver Bill said, is there any hurry to find Oliver Lutkins? Are you in a hurry? The writer said, yes, I'm in a hurry because I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. I have to return back to the city. So yes, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. It was very important and secret. Now it is very important and secret. I want to meet Oliver Lutkins. So it's a secret. The Bill was very anxious. What is the secret? He wanted to know, but he didn't ask immediately. Bill said, I have got a hack. Hack means horse carriage. I've got a horse carriage. We can drive around together. We can drive around New Mullion together and find Lutkins and find Oliver Lutkins. So I'll help you to find Oliver Lutkins. Bill was so open and friendly. Since he was a hack driver, he knew how to attract customers. So Bill said, Bill was so open and friendly that the writer glowed with the warmth of his affection. The writer was a very gentleman. He was young. He was not well experienced about life, about people. He had not met various type of people. So he was very happy. He glowed with happiness, with warmth of his affection. He knew that this person, this Bill, is very loving, is very cooperative. He is ready to help me find Lutkins. The writer also knew that he wanted the business. The writer knew that he is a hack driver. He wanted business. He wanted to earn money. That's why he said that we'll go around the town and find Oliver Lutkins. I know very well where he stays most of the time. It's very easy. We can locate him easily. So the writer knew that Bill wanted the business. Bill wanted his customer to ride around the town. But his kindness was real. The writer said what his kindness is very real, he is very cooperative. So I don't mind paying money for the ride. But his kindness was real. The writer was glad, the writer was very, very happy that the fare money, the carriage fare, the fare money would go to this good person. He is a very good man. I will not hire another carriage or another hack driver. I will go with this man, Bill, because he is very kind, cooperative and gentle and very good person. So the fare money goes to him. it was bargained down to $2 an hour. So finally the writer must have asked him, what will be the charge? The bill said maybe $3, $4. But ultimately they bargained, bargain means reduce the cost of the fare, and agreed, both of them agreed at $2 an hour. So it was bargained down to $2 an hour. For 1 hour, $2. So the writer was ready, because the fare money actually it is from the firm, law firm. So it is not from his own pocket, it is from the firm. So he was ready. Bill brought his carriage out. His carriage was behind somewhere else, and he brought his carriage and gave him his wide smile. Bill brought his carriage, we can say in our simple language, Tonga, and gave him a broad smile. He was always smiling. That was his policy to attract the customers. He always gives other people a broad smile. So the writer thought, by looking at the activities of Bill, the writer thought the people over here in New Mullion, the villagers, are so ready to help a stranger. I'm a stranger over here, the Bill is ready to help. Means all the people must be like him. So the villagers are so ready to help a stranger. Bill had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkins for me. So the writer thought, he had a good impression about the people of New Mullion because of Bill. He thought that the people are very cooperative. They are ready to help a stranger. You see this hack driver Bill, he made it his task, his own task, to find and locate Oliver Lutkins specially for me. He's taking the trouble. This shows that the people over here are very gentle, very cooperative, and very generous. You can say that they are very good people. So I like this place. So he made a good impression about the people over here, about the New Mullion. So in our next class we will continue whether they will find Oliver Lutkins when they go around, what happens. In the introduction I have told you everything, but still as you go through the chapter and page wise or paragraph wise, we'll come to know each and everything, and the events they unfold one after another. So let's see in our next class. So to be continued. This was for today from Hack Driver. So thank you very much for paying so much attention and listening, and listen so carefully, attentively, and being present in the class with me. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much for watching.